Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you clearly see in our video tutorial, this was a Titan gearbox that we did for one of our drum drives, for one of our top clients. Did a full rebuild. We replaced every bearing and seal, reset the bearing floats and preloads. Actually, one of the front covers were damaged, so we replaced it from the OEM. We are now doing some preliminary testing on this box. We typically run our gearbox about 1750 RPM, and we check for any bearing vibration, any oil leak, any abnormalities. We're now doing this testing here. We will continue to test for the next 2 to 3 hours. We check all the ambient temperatures here, make sure everything is running perfectly and smooth, no issues. And then once we get through and prepared for shipping, we use a ultraviolet light to make sure there's no COVID-19 bacteria. It gives our customers and our shipping and receiving guys at the docks a little more comfort on who we are. Make sure there's no coronavirus. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our videos. Here at National Gear Repair, we offer free pickup, free delivery, and free quotes nationwide. We typically save our customers 50 to 60% for buying new, and all with a 24-month warranty from the date of install. Thank you again for watching.